It's the inches for me. Hey y'all, it's your girl Anu. Welcome back to my channel. So like I said before, first of all, how y'all doing? Merry Christmas, and I wish y'all a prosperous new year. Okay, so let's get into it. Like I said before in my last video, I told you I was going to show you guys an empty apartment tour. Me and my sister were moving from our old apartment, yes, former apartment, to a new one. And I told you guys I was gonna show you guys how it looks. So this video is literally an empty apartment tour. So I decided to bring you guys along, and I hope y'all will like it. So without further ado, let's start with a tour. Okay, so literally when you come in through the door, this is where you see the stairs, and yeah, it's lit. Then we have the storeroom right here. I mean the closet room, whatever, for your, jackets, shoes, boots, whatever, for the winter time, summertime, whatever. And we have the window right here, super cute. And so now we're going through the stairs, and voila, we end up in the living room. Yay! This is the living room, guys. I'm so excited. This is the living room, y'all. Right here. It's the living room. Y'all see how wide it is? And then we have the fire area. I don't think I'm gonna need that, but it's just cute. And then right here is the kitchen area. So yeah, this is the kitchen area right here. This is so cute. This is the kitchen section. We have the dishwasher right here. But we Africans, I wash our dishes. Like we use our hands to wash our dishes. I don't know about that. Two things. The cabinets. Then we have the stove, the gas stove. I just wish the cabinets had different color, like brown or white, but it's cool. But I wish it was a different color though. And the microwave. Oh, that's the time. And then the refrigerator right here. Then we have the balcony, which I think is going to be great for the summertime. And then we have the storage right there. So yeah, pretty much everything is, decent. The little pantry, I wish it was wider than this, but it's what it is. And then we have the moving forward. This is the hallway. And this is my room, y'all. This is my room. This is a 2-bedroom actually. And this is my room. Literally, I don't have no lights or nothing in my room. I have to get the lamps myself. And the walk-in closet. I'd have to literally, I don't know, set it up somehow because I'm not used to this type of closet. Then the bathroom. Okay, it's a 2-bed, 2-bath, and this is my bathroom, and it's the inches for me. It's the inches, y'all. So this is my bathroom right here. I just like how white it is, but it is what it is. The cabinets. And yeah. I have one right here too. So pretty much then we go down This is my sister's room right here. Oh yeah, no, before that, move forward and then you see this. This is the laundry room right here. This is the dryer right here. And this is the washer right here. Okay? Don't play with me. Right here. This is nice, isn't it? This is cute. I don't have to go to the laundromat to do my laundry no more. Okay? And this is the second bathroom right here. Super cute, isn't it? And yeah, pretty much. So yes guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope y'all liked our new apartment. I feel like it's just, you know, modern, it's clean, it's cute. New apartment, new me, who this? And you know, pretty much everything is just working out fine. We cannot wait for 2021. I hope it brings us more positivity, more money, good health, more money, you know, God's blessings, favor, and love always. So guys, that will be all for this video. I hope y'all liked it. If you did like my apartment, or if you do like your apartment, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Thank you so much guys. And baby, it's the 40 inches for me. It's the 40 inches for me. Y'all see my hair? It's the 40 inches for me. It's the 40 inches for me. So yeah guys, yeah, just, you know, I really cannot wait. I'm just so, you know, excited that we both found something that we both liked, or we both like. And literally I can't wait for my sister because she's good with the decor and all that. So I cannot wait for her to, you know, treat the space so nice with the home decors. And hopefully I can give you guys a furnished apartment tour or not. But her room, she was like, no, don't put my room out there, I want my privacy, which is okay. So that's why I decided not to show her a part of the room. But the bathroom, I showed you guys already. And pretty much everything is, don't play with me, okay? So thank you so much, and I'll see y'all again in my next video. Like I said guys, I'm trying my best to be very consistent with my videos, and I just need you guys to understand that it's not easy, but I'll keep trying my best to be consistent. So thank you so much, and I'll see y'all again in the next video. Bye.